Hey there, fellow adventurers, welcome back to this live. Today we are diving into the ultimate guide on how to book an unforgettable safari in Kenya. From choosing your destination to packing your essentials, we've got you covered. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about your safari destination. Kenya offers some of the best safari experiences in the world. You've got several incredible options to choose from. Here are some of the top picks. Maasai Mara, famous for its epic wildebeest migration. Amboseli, known for its stunning views of Mount Kilimanjaro. Tsavo, one of the largest national parks in the world. Lake Nakuru, renowned for its thousands of flamingos. Next, decide on the type of safari that suits your style. You can opt for self-drive safaris if you love the thrill of exploring in your own, guided safaris for expert-led adventures, or luxury safaris packages for a more comfortable experience. Choosing the right tour operator is crucial. Here are a few recommendations. We've got Safari Travelers, offering personalized safari experiences. National World Kenya Safaris, known for their excellent services, and many more. Remember to book in advance, especially for popular destinations. This way, you'll secure the best rates and ensure availability. Trust me, you don't want to miss out due to delay in bookings. Don't forget to check the visa requirement for Kenya. Make sure you apply well ahead of time to avoid any last-minute delays or any last-minute hassles. We've got a video on our channel, on this playlist actually, about how to apply for a visa. Click on it if you want to check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, parking right can make or break your safari experience. Here is a quick checklist. Park light. Carry neutral colored clothing to blend in with the surroundings. Have your hat with you, sunglasses, sunscreen, and insect repellent to protect yourself. Carry comfortable shoes for those game drives and bushwalks. And of course, don't forget your camera and binoculars. Kenya's climate can be quite varied. The Great Wildebeest Migration happened between June and November during the dry seasons. Be prepared for occasional rain as well. Your health is paramount. Visit a clinic for any necessary vaccination medications and take measures to prevent malaria. Finally, my guys, soak in the adventure, enjoy the wildlife, respect the animals and their habitats, and capture those magical moments. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up as you continue watching the beautiful sceneries of Kenya.